How are you everybody? Hope all of you are fine. Today we will go through English first paper, Unit 8, Lesson 4. The name of Lesson 4 is Amerigo, a street child. So let's start our lesson. If you have your text before you, open page at 103. So number 2 is read the following story and answer the questions that follow. My name is Amerigo. I am 13 years old and I live on the street alone. My mother, who is separated from my father, doesn't want me. She told me to go away. Now she is married to another man. My father lives very far away. I want to go to him, but he won't take me either. I begged him to send me some money so that I could buy a bus ticket. I am still waiting. He hasn't answered. So you see that in the first pages we see the description of a street child who is an orphan boy. In spite of he has father and mother. His mother and father are very rude, careless and responsible of their child. That's why he is a street child. The second para is, the streets are now my home. Sometimes I find work. I used to collect trash and sell it to a vendor. I stopped doing that after I had a serious infection and the doctor told me to stay away from the trash dump. You see that his father lives very far away. And his mother is separated from his father, and the doctor told him to stay away. This word away is used here again and again to know the situation of that street child, Amerigo. But I got no money once I worked for an ice cream shop owner and sold ice cream on the beach, but I got no money in return. Here is also an exploitation of the owner of the ice cream shop. He made Amerigo to do all the work, but gave no money in return. The owner of the shop gave me something to eat and let me sleep in his hut at night. The work was difficult and painful. The ice cream box is quite heavy when it is full. I had to work for hours offering my ice cream to whoever wanted to buy. There were days when I could not even sell one ice cream. In this passage, there is a description of the hardship of Amerigo. He had to work hard for living in this world, for earning his living, and these works are very hard to him. He used to collect salt or rubbish from the trash dump, and he had a serious infection. He stopped doing that job after a doctor told him to stay away from trash dump. And he had to sold ice cream from beach to beach and working hours after hours, and it was a painful experience for him. In the third para, in a way I am lucky because I am alive. My friends who work sorting rubbish in dumps often suffer from serious diseases. One of them was recently killed after he fell into a hole that opened up in the pile of trash. Many of us work for 10 to 12 hours and get so little in return that we can't even buy food. Here you see the harshness of our life, how harshly a street child faces his life. You see that they had to work 10 to 12 hours, which is the violation of human rights. Men works for 8 hours, should work for 8 hours in a day, but they had to work 10 to 12 hours. It is obviously the violation of the human right. The next one, shoe shining is very popular among the street kids. A few of my friends also work in factories and workshops. A boy I know lost one of his eyes after a piece of hot glass flew into his eye at the glass factory where he worked. The owner refused to pay for medical help and fired him. You see that one of his one of his friends lost his eyes, but the owner refused to pay any bill. He fired from him his job. He fired him from his job. What an inhuman act. For me, like all other children on the street, it is very hard. I am always hungry and I don't know where I will sleep the next night. I would like to live in my own home and sleep there in peace. The nights are very cold in the winter. You can die of cold in the street. You see that here Amerigo's dream is I would like to live in my own home and sleep there in peace. You see that as a boy like Amerigo, the dream is quite natural. It is not a lofty dream, a very simple dream that he wants to live with his parents and wants to live in his home comfortably. But he is denied all basic human rights, where there is no education, no shelter. He is totally helpless. His parents is very rude to him. So you see that a street child faces such problems. Now, after completing to read this passage, we have to answer the questions. We have to answer 5 questions, but I have set here for you 3 questions as your homework. I am trying to make you understood these questions. You will complete these answers in your home. The first question is, what is your impression about Amerigo's parents? What is your impression about Amerigo's parents? You see that from the passage, we know that Amerigo's parents is very careless and they don't show any affection to their child. His mother is married to another man and his father lives far away from him. So we say that according to the passage, my impression about Amerigo's parents is very negative. They are very careless and irresponsible about their child. This is why he is a street child. I again say that my impression about Amerigo's parents is very negative. They are very careless and irresponsible about their child. That is why he is a street child now. You notice that we have to always follow the questions, the pattern of the questions. We have to maintain the tense. If the question is in present tense, we have to answer in present tense. If the question is in past tense, we have to answer in the past tense. And we have to follow subject-verb agreement. If the subject is third person singular number and the tense is present indefinite tense, we have to add s or es after the verb. And if the subject is plural number and the tense is present indefinite tense, you don't have to use any s or es after the verb. So subject verb agreement is an important matter in answering the question. Now come to question number 2. What was Amerigo's first job? What made him stop doing that job? You see that there are 2 questions and we have to answer the 2 questions separately. What was Amerigo's first job? You know that Amerigo's first job was to collect or to sort rubbish from the trash dump. Amerigo's first job was to sort or to collect rubbish from the trash dump. What made him stop doing that job? What made him stop doing that job? You know that according to the passage, he had a serious infection when he sorted rubbish, and a doctor told him to stay away from trash dump. So you can write Once Amerigo had a serious infection from trash dump, and a doctor forbade him to stay away from trash dump, and the advice of the doctor made him stop doing that job. And the advice of the doctor made him stop doing that job. Now come to question number 3. How is Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream? How is Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream? From the passage you know that Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream is very painful. It was not a pleasant job for him, and in return he found no money from the owner of the ice cream shop. So you can write this question this way. Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream is not so good, or Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream is painful. He had to carry a box offering ice cream in the beach, and he had to walk hours after hours, and sometimes he would not even sell one ice cream. So you can say that I again say Amerigo's experience of selling ice cream is very painful. He had to carry a big box carrying ice cream, and he had to walk hours after hours offering ice cream, and sometimes he could not sell even one ice cream. So this is your homework. You will complete these answers in your home, and you can show me after vacation. This is enough for today, I think. You know that we are going through a pandemic situation, so be aware of it and don't go outside without wearing any mask. Thank you. Bye.